Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. I am Shaful Kumar Nandi. At present, I am standing by Faridpur Upazila. Faridpur Upazila is a beautiful Upazila in our district. You can see it is a natural beauty. It is a natural palace. There are many people come here, visit in this area. I also come visit in this area, but it is my hometown. It is my local area. English is a fun. It can be easy. Just practice. Practice makes man perfect. If you want to learn English, you travel. When you travel anywhere, any place, you can learn many things. You can learn English. Just practice. It is a natural place. I like natural place. I come regular see in this natural place.